Hi everyone, this is Mahin. Welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. As season changes, we also tend to change our face creams. So today, I'm gonna share winter special Kesar face cream for glowing skin. It's very simple and effective remedy. To prepare it, we need 7 to 8 threads of saffron, aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons, rose water 2 tablespoons and almond oil 1 tablespoon, vitamin E capsule 2 to 3. Place the saffron strands on the paper and fold it and roast it on the pan for few seconds. Then take a bowl, add the saffron, 2 tablespoons of rose water, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 2 to 3 vitamin E capsule. Mix it very well with gentle hands and then shift the whole mixture to the airtight bottle and use it twice a day for charming glowing skin. Apply this twice a day to get the charming skin. Hope so you like this video. If you did so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.